Okay, hey, what up, guys? So, I am an animator for some reason, because, well, I animate. It's funny.
Dude.
I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. I'm gonna reset all that. There we go.
What do you animate on, bruh?
I'm animating Ronin.
No, on what?
CapCut. It's funny, because,
Oh, what?
oh my gosh.
It's so boring.
It's over. It's over.
It's over. It's over.
Wait, was that a glitch?
Oh, now it's really over.
Now they have the result to stealing my song.
Grr.
That's it. Or else I'll turn into Raging Pin. I think this is good. Anyways, I guess we're just gonna export this thing. And then I'm just gonna record it for the video. Anyways, yeah. Okay, be right back. Okay, we're back. And now we're just gonna animate this. So, hello. Okay, I think that's good speed. Okay, yeah, that is. Right now, I duplicate this. Okay. Then this. Alright, there we go. And then we just put Ronin right there. I'm an express engine. I don't go. I don't go. And so does that one. And then add a photo. And then right there. Alright. Now I just need to add the fuel tankers. Oh, I'll animate that later. Rules or rules. Oh yeah, if you guys haven't watched the BFDIA 14, it's sick.
What about his sick?
Dude, pin electrocution. Also turned into Raging Pin. It's the funniest part.
Let's see it, bruh.
Okay, hold on, it's still in progress. Oh. Oh my gosh, I need to add that coach. And then was on it. Tastes like going. Oh. Okay, sorry, my cousin just showed me this cool trick. Thank you. Also, she has a YouTube channel. Subscribe to her. What's your YouTube channel?
I forgot the name.
You forgot the name? It's okay. Anyways.
Don't make fun of me.
I'm not. Okay. I guess I can just scoot it a bit more. Let's add another one. I'll just delete that. And I'm just gonna add another one. Okay, I think I got it. I'm an express syndrome. I'm an express syndrome. I don't go. Okay, now I had to make that smaller. That is sick. And all I need to do is just add the tankers. Yeah, I got these tankers customs or something.
What's that? What is that? What is that? Look at that. What's that?
I don't know.
Cái sen kia là dưa thì nó kêu watermelon, còn cái này là nó cũng dưa. Mà không biết cái dưa gì.
Okay,
Is
sorry.
that? I think it's the melon that you eat the sugar with.
Ow, 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 ow. Okay, I get it. You have sharp nails. I'm an express syndrome. I don't go. Oh. Oh. I'm an express syndrome. I don't go. Help. Help. Oh.
No, coffee.
No, not coffee.
Look, sometimes all it takes for me to calm down is having a relaxing dip in the yo-yo fountain while holding an open flame, and then she caught on fire.
Dang. Hmm. Oh man, I need to add coaches. Pardon me, neighbor, but do you know how to put this on the back right here?
What do you
Like
mean?
blend it in to the back of this thing? No, not that, not that.
What do you mean?
Hold on. Can you put this thing right there behind it? Can you put this right there behind it?
I don't know how. I don't know what you mean.
Wait, how'd you do that? The move thing.
You just hold down and then move it up.
Okay, there we go. I think I got it. Oh, I can't do it again.
Are you trying to merge it?
No, I'm trying to put this under this. Okay, never mind. I'll just do that later. And then this again. see why animators had to work all night and day animating for animations. This is how it feels.
Indeed.
I can see into their souls.
Are you recording or something?
Yeah.
All this?
Yes.
What the flip?
Now I see why animators usually use, I think, maybe, I forgot what apps they use, but, oh well. Oh wait, whoops. Okay.
Oh my lord.
Since when did it get so quiet? Do you want feet in your face? No! Dude, that was on. That's funny.
It's just a picture of my friend when she was a baby.
Oh, that's cute. Anyways, I think it's finished. Okay, let's watch it.
Let's see.
I guess. Okay. It's not completely done yet. I need to still add some animation or something into it. I mean,
But it's good. It's good.
oh my gosh. Okay, I think it's done.
Oh no! Why do you crash?
Okay, alright, ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'm an express engine. I don't go. Oh! And there's supposed to be an explosion. That didn't happen yet, so, I need to still add the explosion thing, so you guys can see that later. Anyways, export this. Okay, you'll see that later, guys.